Simple speech on Independence Day. Good morning, everyone. My name is Swati. I am studying in class 3. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. India celebrates Independence Day every year on 15th August. It is a national festival. We celebrate Independence Day with great joy and happiness. In this day, in 1947, India got independence from British rules. We are enjoying freedom due to our freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, and many others. On this day, we should pay tribute to all our freedom fighters. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thanks for watching.